saw there, your former winner here, now back in his own car. He was driving another car when he was here and went to victory lane at the High Bank. That is Matt Robinson in the 55. The Jet, Hunter Duquette, is going to try the rear-wheel drive hot rod in the 16. The 4X covers the bad bumblebee. That is none other than Ron Burgess. And it looks like, unfortunately, Robinson is not in the failure to show in this heat race. The 87 is none other than James Thompson.
Well, do you remember the Thunderstock division here at Monadnock Speedway? You know, a lot of these machines competed in that Thunderstock division every Saturday night, so we were glad to see them back in the speed and an aggressive division here at Monadnock, definitely.
Here we go. Kingsley going to lead him down. Will land to the outside. They'll work into the Serpro start zone. Here they go. Chris Hort's going to turn around. It's green flag racing. Okay, so far it's
Oh, no, Ronald! Oh my God. I'm already on edge and he does that.
Race number 2 for the Beck's Automotive Pro V8 Sportsman. Getting ready to hit the track.
Okay.
We're going to have to do a little dust up over there on the back stretch.